Hello guys, I am Rahul and in this video we will thoroughly review WordPress hosting service of Liquid-web managed by Nexcess. Nexcess is a brand of Liquid-web, and in this review video we will talk about each and every aspect of this WordPress hosting service, and we will also talk about pros and cons of this WordPress hosting service. So please watch this video till the end, and now without delaying we should start this video.
Managed WordPress hosting of Liquid-web is managed by Nexcess, a Liquid-web company. It has 7 WordPress hosting plans. Initial is Spark, second one is Maker, then there is Designer, fourth one is Builder, then there is Producer, 6th is Executive, 7th is Enterprise. You can choose as per your requirement. The plan which we have chosen is the initial plan Spark, and we are using its free 14-day trial, and I would like to suggest you that you should also do that. First test it out on different parameters like speed, server response time, etc., and then buy it. If you find it satisfactory, then only buy it.
Liquid-web has 5 data centers, that is London, UK, Sydney, Australia, San Jose, California, Southfield, Michigan, Amsterdam, Netherlands, and
The center location of our server is Southfield, Michigan, and the website we have set up is hostingtestjob.xyz, and the theme we are using is Ocean WP theme. Now if we talk about overview, the first section is of home. If you'll click it, you will find your basic account details like ID and password and all that stuff. Second section is of plan. The plan which you have chosen, all information about that will be present in this section. The third section is of utmost importance, that is SSL section. It talks about the security criteria of your service. The fourth section is of support. If you have any query regarding the service of Liquid-web, you can call the support and sort it out. The support of Liquid-web is very effective. Fourth section is of billing, not require description. All of us know about that. The last section is of DNS, that is domain name servers. It is of utmost importance, so we should give importance to it. We should not take it lightly. When we'll attach our domain name and our hosting service, then it will be of utmost importance. They will come into play. These servers and IP addresses will come into play, so we should take them seriously, and all this stuff belongs to overview of the Liquid-web. Now if we talk about server response time, it is exceptionally very quick, and it is 57 ms in US West, then it is 29 ms in US East. So it is exceptionally very good, and no doubt about that. And the grade which we have got is, it is of A+, so no query about that. Now if we talk about speed, it is of just 1 second, so it is absolutely great. Not much to worry about it. Okay.
if I talk about Cache Enabler or Cache Manager, then you will find it installed by default in your Liquid-web's WordPress installation, but you would require the help of support to set it up. Then there is Memcache. It is an open source software not provided by Liquid-web, but in case you want it to use with the services of Liquid-web, then Liquid-web's services are not limited to particular softwares. You can use Memcache with WordPress hosting of Liquid-web. If I talk about uptime, then I have been observing it for a few days and the result is 100%. So not much to talk about it. It is absolutely awesome. Okay. If I talk about automatic off-server backups, then backups are provided for 30 days, and the restoration of backups is very easy. It is just a click away. But in case you want to restore whole of your account, then help of support system of Liquid-web would be required, and they will help you immediately as you contact them. Okay. If I talk about Inode Counts, then due to auto-scaling feature of the plan in Liquid-web, virtually unlimited inode counts are provided. And in case of WordPress hosting, they are more than decent. Okay. If I talk about support system of Liquid Web, then I think it is the best support system we have. I have tested it thoroughly. It is available 24 by 7. It is available through phone, through chat and through email. I have tested it more on chat and email system, and they have a tagline that they are the most helpful humans in hosting, and they in actual fulfill this tagline of them. Okay, if I talk about staging, then all plans of Liquid Web include one staging site per site hosted. Okay, if I talk about malware protection, then there is backend security cover as well as the iThemes Security Pro plugin. But in case you find any malware, you can scan it on your own. And if further assistance is required, support system of Liquid Web is ready to help you out to sort out all of your queries regarding malware protection. Okay. Guys, we know that Nexcess offers 7 WordPress hosting plans. Initial plan is Spark. Do not buy this plan as it has only one site to offer. But Nexcess is offering free 14-day trial period for this initial plan. So you have a golden opportunity to use this free 14-day trial period and test out the performance of this WordPress hosting service on different parameters. And if you find its performance satisfactory, then only decide to buy it. So apart from this initial plan, you have to choose your plan from the remaining 6 plans. Most popular plan is Designer. People prefer to buy this plan. Now if we come on pricing structure, then annual plans are cheaper in comparison to the monthly plans. Let me show it here. If I click monthly, price of most popular plan Designer is $109 per month. But if I click annual, price reduces to $72.67 per month for the most popular plan. But there is a catch. If you want this price reduction in annual plans, you have to use this code 4MO free during the sign up process. Then only you will get this price reduction in annual plans. Okay. Guys, if you really want to buy this WordPress hosting service, then you can buy it by using my affiliate link. My affiliate link is flashing on top of the screen. Sub ID of this link is ProRahul1. My name is Rahul. And one thing I want to tell you that if you buy this WordPress hosting service by using my affiliate link, then you will not have to pay any extra money. In spite, you will pay the same amount of money as you buy this WordPress hosting service by directly going onto the website of Nexcess and then buying it. I will provide this affiliate link in YouTube video description. And when you click this affiliate link in video description, WordPress hosting page of Nexcess will open, and from there you can choose your plan as per your requirement. Process of buying this WordPress hosting service is very simple, no rocket science. And if you buy annual plans, you can nearly save 15% of your money as annual plans are cheaper in comparison to the monthly plans. Payment option is credit card for first time buyers, credit card and PayPal for second time buyers. Okay. If I talk about SSL, that is Security Certificate of our service, that is WordPress hosting service, then you would be happy to know that it is provided free of cost and included with all the plans. And same is the situation with CDN. It is also provided free of cost and included with all the plans. Okay. If I talk about domains, then domains are registered for $15 per domain fee for an year. Okay, if I talk about site builder, then Liquid Web offers Beaver Builder Lite. But in case you don't want to use Beaver Builder Lite, then Liquid Web gives you this liberty to use site builder of your own choice. Though Beaver Builder Lite is a great site builder. Guys, while making this video, an introductory offer has been introduced by Anaxis, and it is a huge offer, guys. Don't miss out on this opportunity. It is a golden opportunity, and buy your hosting plan in such cheaper rates as soon as possible. Okay, guys, Anaxis is offering 50% off on all WordPress hosting plans, WooCommerce hosting plans, and Magneto hosting plans. And this is a golden opportunity, guys. This offer will end on 31st of June 2021. And to get your discount of 50% on your hosting plan, you have to use this code flashing below on your screen, that is Spring Sale 50. This is the code you have to use during the sign up process, and you will get your discount of 50% on your hosting plan. Guys, I want to tell you one more thing, that I will provide my affiliate links regarding these hosting plans in my video description, and by directly using those affiliate links you can buy your hosting plan and get your discount of 50%. And if you use my affiliate links, I will get some benefit, but as I had told you earlier, that you will not have to pay any extra money. So buy these hosting plans using my affiliate links. Okay, so if I talk about pros and cons of this hosting service, then it has lots of pros like great speed and server response time, free SSL, free CDN, free migration, great customer support and site builder, liberty to use site builder of your own choice, liberty to use memcache, though it is not provided by this hosting service, unlimited inode counts, one staging site per plan, malware cover, and auto updated plugins. If we talk about cons, the only con I think it has is that it is expensive. Nothing is provided free on this platform of Liquid Web. Other hosting service providers are giving free domain. It is not giving free domain, it is charging it, because performance is not compromised. You know, performance is not compromised of Liquid Web. So this is the reason why it is expensive. You will be amazed when you will see its performance. So all in all, it is a great package, and I would recommend you to buy this package and buy it from my affiliate link. So on this note, I end my video. Like it, share it as much as possible, and subscribe it. Subscribe my YouTube channel, Evolved by Education Eve. Okay.